We've all seen the videos. A person returns after years away, and before the dog even sees their face, they hear a single word, their name, and the reaction is instantaneous. But how is this possible? How can a brain that ages much faster than ours preserve a specific vocal frequency for a decade or more? Today, we are going deep into the canine primary auditory cortex to pinpoint the exact neural pathways that archive your voice. We're proving that your bond isn't just an emotion. It's a permanent acoustic signature etched into your dog's sophisticated emotional hardware. This acoustic record remains intact even when physical proximity is lost for years at a time. Every syllable you speak is processed not just as sound, but as a unique emotional identifier. It is a miracle of biological engineering that allows a canine to filter out the noise of the world for one specific tone. The science we will explore today reveals a level of cognitive sophistication that is truly awe-inspiring. Your dog's brain is literally designed to keep you present even in your absence. Let's begin our journey into the vocal archive. Welcome back to Paws and Ponder. While we often focus on a dog's sense of smell, their auditory processing is equally advanced. For a dog, your voice isn't just noise, it's a complex data packet. In this episode, we're analyzing how canine long-term memory bypasses physical aging to preserve the unique pitch, inflection, and timbre of the people they love most. Let's look at the science of the vocal archive. This archive is a testament to the depth of the canine-human relationship and the evolutionary paths that brought us together. To understand the archive, we must first understand how sound transforms into a lasting memory in their mind. It's not just the words, it's the music of your voice that resonates within their neural architecture. This frequency tuning is a skill honed over thousands of years of shared history between our species. From the earliest days of puppyhood, your voice is etched as a symbol of safety and belonging. As we dive into the data, you will see how these signals remain resilient against the passage of time. We are on the verge of understanding the true cognitive power of our furry companions. Let's explore the physical foundation of this memory in the brain. Recent fMRI studies have shown that dogs have specialized voice areas in their primary auditory cortex. These neural pathways are fine-tuned to distinguish between human speech and environmental noise. But here's the breakthrough. When a dog hears their primary owner, the brain doesn't just process the sound, it activates the caudate nucleus, the part of the brain associated with reward and positive emotion. These pathways create a high-priority archive. While they might forget a command or a trick, the frequency of your voice is stored in a protected sector of their long-term memory that remains resilient even as the brain ages. This data is protected from the typical degradation of non-essential information in the canine mind. Even as other cognitive functions might fluctuate, the recognition of their owner's voice remains a constant. It is a sophisticated filtering system that identifies the emotional weight behind the acoustic signal. The bridge between sound and feeling is what makes this archive so powerful and enduring. Hearing your voice triggers a cascade of neurochemicals that reinforce their sense of safety. To the dog, you aren't just a person. You are a specific, irreplaceable acoustic identity. This etching in the brain is the physical manifestation of the love you share. Nature has ensured that the most important sounds are the ones that never disappear. Now, let's break down what exactly makes your voice so unique to them. Every human has a unique acoustic signature. This is a combination of your fundamental frequency, pitch, and your unique inflection patterns. Dogs are experts at isolating these signatures. While a stranger can mimic the words you say, they cannot mimic the specific harmonic overtones of your vocal cords. Your dog's brain archives these specific frequencies, alongside the emotional safety they represent. This is why, even after years apart, a single hello in your specific pitch can reawaken those archived neural pathways instantly, bypassing years of physical separation. The dog's ear can detect nuances in your timbre that even the most advanced microphones struggle to capture. This sensitivity allows them to read your emotions through the subtle shifts in your vocal delivery. To them, your voice is a fingerprint in the air, distinct, clear, and unmistakable. This fingerprint is tied to every memory of play, comfort, and care they have ever received from you. It is anchored deep within their psyche, making it incredibly resistant to being overwritten by other sounds. Even through digital filters, the core of your acoustic signature remains recognizable to their sharp ears. It is a constant presence in their world, a melody of love that never truly goes quiet. Finally, let's look at how this bond survives the ultimate challenge: time. Perhaps the most beautiful part of this science is how it resists the toll of time. As dogs age, their hearing may dim and their eyes may cloud, but the emotional hardware that stores these vocal memories is remarkably durable. This is because these memories are emotionally anchored. Because your voice is tied to survival, comfort, and love, the brain treats it as essential data. It's a permanent record that proves your presence is never truly gone from their lives, as long as that frequency remains etched in their mind. This durability is a gift of evolution. It ensures that even in their twilight years, the connection they share with you remains vibrant. The physical body may weaken, but the neural pathways of the heart are built to last. This is the science of the canine soul, where data meets the deepest forms of devotion. No other sound can replace the one they have archived as home. It is a silent understanding that transcends the need for words. Your voice is the key that unlocks their happiest states of being, and that key remains in their possession for as long as they live. In the end, it is the frequency of love that defines their world. Science confirms what our hearts have always known. Your dog's love for you is literally hardwired into their biology. You are a permanent part of their world, recorded in a frequency that never fades. Have you ever witnessed your dog recognizing a voice after a long time? Tell us your story in the comments below. If you want to continue exploring the incredible science of the canine soul, hit that subscribe button for Paws and Ponder. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being a part of our journey. Keep pondering and keep loving those who hear you with their hearts. Until next time, from everyone here at Pause and Ponder.